Here's the news of the day. First Aviation Services acquired Saint Technologies, bringing the innovative rear-lock lock washers into its portfolio, enhancing safety and efficiency in aerospace and defense applications. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez visited China to strengthen cooperation in green economy and high technology, with EHang highlighting its role in advancing urban air mobility solutions. Schweizer has named Elicuneo of Italy as an authorized sales and service center, enhancing support for Schweizer aircraft and parts across the country with expert maintenance and customer service. Copter Safety is sponsoring a 2025 FAA-certified Airbus H145 flight training scholarship for Whirly Girls International, continuing its commitment to promoting diversity and inclusivity in vertical aviation. EHang received an experimental flight authorization in Brazil for its EH216S eVTOL, paving the way for test flights and advancing urban air mobility with local authorities. Volar Air Mobility and Etihad Aviation Training signed an MOU to collaborate on electric aircraft operations, advancing the UAE's sustainability goals and the future of air mobility. Reliable Robotics secured a contract with the USAF to develop autonomous flight systems for airlift and refueling aircraft, advancing automation for longer, safer operations in contested environments. Zero Avia secured £20 million from Scottish National Investment Bank, bringing its Series C total to £114 million to advance hydrogen-based aviation technology and build a facility in Scotland. Fulcrum Bioenergy filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy with $456 million in debt after facing technical challenges and financial setbacks at its Nevada waste-to-fuel plant. Brineworks secured $2.2 million in funding to advance its seawater electrolyzer technology, aiming to capture CO2 and produce hydrogen for e-fuels like sustainable aviation fuel. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.